Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game within your device. And once you open it up and the game is fully loaded, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can directly start your preferred games. Now, if you wish to add a friend within your game to play with, then simply tap on the V button within your keyboard or tap on the plus icon alongside the play button. This will now open up the friends menu. Now to add a new friend, just tap on the plus friend icon, and now you can just use the search box to search for the username that you wish to add. Once you find the person that you wish to add, just tap on their user ID and click on the add epic friend option. This will now send a friend request to this user from your Epic Games account. And now once this person taps on the accept button, you will become friends with this user. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new friend on the Fall Guys game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.